Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Digital Life with Joel. Now, in today's tutorial, we're gonna look at what we call filtering and sorting data into Excel. What are they? What we can do with it, and how to find them, and when to use them. So, let's dig down into our Excel sheet. As you can see here on the screen, I have my simple data range here, which I already arranged for you in case, which we're gonna use as an example. But first thing first, we're gonna look at filtering data into Excel first. Then after all, we move to sorting data into Excel. And let's first move with the filtering data into our Excel. Uh, but what you may ask yourself, what is filtering and sorting data in Excel? Now this is I wrote a pre-definition here, as you can see on my formula bar. It's like sorting and filtering data in Excel are core data management tools that allow you to reorganize and screen your data sets to isolate the exact information you need. In this, what do we mean? Like, while sorting changes the physical order of your data rows, filtering selectively hides rows that you do not meet your specified criteria without altering the rest of your spreadsheet. Now, we're gonna see what is sorting and filtering. This is just a pre-definition in case you want to know. Now, let's move to the filter. I wrote a pre-definition for filter here. Hope you guys can see it. It's like, you may ask yourself, what is filtering data? Now, filtering narrows down the focus of your worksheet by displaying only the rows you want to see. Any data that fails your specific parameters is temporarily hidden from view, though it is never permanently deleted. In this, what do you mean? Like, you can have your data like this here, but you want to eliminate some data, or you want to hide some, or you want to see some specific data, or the range of the data you want. Maybe you have a customer segment, as you can see here in our row. We have home office, corporate, consumers, home office, so many several types of customers, consumer, but you only want to see maybe corporate or home office only into your data set. You want to know, you want to calculate you want to know the number, how many are they, the amount they're spending, or something like that. So in that case, you will use the filter function. So how to find, or how to use it, how to do it, we're gonna find out. Now we have several types of filter into our Excel. We have basic filtering, we have number filters, we have data filters, we have numerator filtering. Okay, in this the basic filtering, it's toggling specific text values on the on and off using the checkbox. Here you can either use a you can either put your data into a pivot table in case you want to use this form, or you can only you put it in the use the checkbox. You can put only the checkbox even if you do not turn your data into a table, so that you can filter, so whatever you can do. So let's first see the first example of the basic filter. I have my data range here. Hope you guys can see it. I have my order date, region, product category, customer segment, quantity, unit price, discount rate, revenue, cost, profit, payment methods. Now I want to first see the basic filtering here. It's turning on and off whatever specific I want to use. So how to use the checkbox, how to put the checkbox inside my Excel or inside my range. I'll click anywhere in my data range, anywhere in my data range here. Then I come to the ribbon menu. You see there is a, at the last, the second line, there is a filter option, sort and filter. I'll click filter here, then it will definitely put the checkbox here. As you can see, I can now trigger what and what do I want to see, what region. Let's see the region. Now I'll unselect all this, then I say I want to see only north region. As you can see, now only north region data came up, but that one doesn't mean that the rest are deleted. No, they are just hidden. They are just hidden so that you can see the only one which you want to see. You get my point? Let's press Ctrl Z to go back. If you did not use here, you can also come in data in the ribbon menu. There is data, you press data, you come here, there is also filter, you trigger it on, then it will definitely come. Or else you can use the shortcut. Let's press Ctrl Z. You can use the shortcut always. Ctrl Shift L. As you can see it here, it displayed itself. You can press anywhere in your data range. Ctrl Shift L. You put on the checkbox. Okay. That is another option, or the shortcut of how to put boxes into your data range. Ctrl Z to go back. Or you can format this data into a table. You press Ctrl T, then it will bring like this, create a table. You make sure you press this. If it's not ticked, you tick it. My table has a header, you press OK. Then you put your data into a table. In here, you can also select. You can select what you want to see within the Excel, within your data. You can filter it same way like that. Now, that's how we filter our data. Okay, hope you got it. It's only triggering your data. You use the filter method. Use Ctrl Shift L to put the checkbox, or else you put your data into a table so that you can format it nicely. You can use a table to filter your data, or you can use your mouse. Ctrl Z to go back. You can click on your mouse. You click anywhere in your table. You press Option button like this. It will bring something like this. You look for filter. It will bring like this. There are many different options. Filter by selected cells value. You can select. You can also filter your data with that option also. There are many ways how to filter, but from beginners level, you should learn the basic only as we move to advanced. So guys, that's how you use the filter function, or how you filter your data into Excel. Step by step, we shall move slowly and slowly for more. Now let's look at the sorting. What is sorting in our Excel and what we can do with it? Again, I put the pre-definition here, as you can see on the screen here. Hope you guys can see it. Yep, 1 minute, 1 second. Yep, it's here. You may ask yourself, what is sorting data into Excel? Now, sorting allows you to reorder your data structurally based on suffix alphabets, numeric or chronic patterns. It's rearrange the entire row based on the values in the chosen column, so your relevant data stays connected. And we have many different types of all kind of sorting. We can sort by using text sorting. We have number sorting, date and time, format sorting, multiple level or custom sorting, so many others, as we're gonna see slowly by slowly. Now again, I have my simple data here, my simple data range. I arranged it in different formats, which we're going to see. I have my date here, date column here, date and time. I have my text column here. We shall see how to sort using text column. I have my number column here. I arranged it, and I have my format sorting. We're gonna see one by one what are they and how we can do it, and how, what, when to use it. Okay, I think first, let's first with the, now you may have your table like this again, and you want to sort your data. Now date and time, what do we mean with this date and time? If you want, now let's first go with the text sorting. Text sorting refers to arranging values alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A, as simple as that. Maybe you want to sort your data alphabetically. You want to see it in order. Let's say I have my product category here. I want to sort it from A to Z or from Z to A, so that it can rearrange nicely. I will select anywhere in my data. Again, I'll come on my ribbon menu, the home tab, come to the far end here. I press here, there is sorting and filtering. I press sorting, A to Z. I press that. I see past that. It will definitely follow the alphabetical order only. That is how we sort by text sorting. Or I can click again anywhere I want to see from Z to A. You click there, as simple as that. It will again sort your data again. That is what we call text sorting. Now let's move on number sorting. This refers to, it orders vary from smallest to largest or from largest to small, as simple as that. As you can see, I have my simple data set here, which are already formatted in number sorting. So in this, how you do it, again, you will click anywhere in your data like this. I have my unit price. Now I want to sort this from biggest to smallest. I'll click again anywhere in my data. I come over here, home tab. I click sort from largest to smallest. It will definitely change the digits. You see, from largest to smallest. I can again click my quantity here. I want from smallest to largest. Again, I will click like that. It will definitely be sorted out, as you can see, from 1 2 3 4 till 34. That's how you use number sorting. Let's move to another example, which is called date and time sorting. As you can see, I have my date and time column here. Let's say I want to arrange, this refers to presses, this presses the chronically entire entries from oldest to newest, or vice versa. In this, like in that format, you may be having maybe different years, maybe 2022, 2021, 2020, something like that. So you want to sort from oldest to newest, or from new to old, you want to see. But here in my data range, as you can see here, I only have 2024. Let's try to put some values here to change our dates. Let me put this as 25. I edit some. Let me press this as 22. This 23. me first change a little bit some dates here, and we see how it's nicely done. This one I'll put it as 2020. Let me show this as 23. Now I have different years here. I can again click anywhere in my data. I come here, I sort it from newest to oldest. As you can see, 2025 first, 2024, 2023, then 2022, 2021, 2020. Okay, again I can click here from the oldest to newest. 2020, as you can see, it keep on changing, nothing much, but that's how we sort our data into our Excel. Hope you guys learned that. That is what we call filtering and sorting data into an Excel. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing, like, follow for more. We're gonna move slowly by slowly from beginners level to advanced. We're still on the basics of Excel, but soon or later we shall move to advanced level so that we can learn more and more and more. Thank you. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to check out on our YouTube channel. Always our videos, they are there. There is more to learn. Try to follow, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you later in another tutorial. Thank you.